Hello everyone, my name is Mahesh Ratna and I am going to introduce the software application which I have developed using C language. For this I have used CodeBlocks IDE, GNU compiler and GTK to build graphical user interfaces. The first thing that I wanted to tell you is the reason why I decided to make this software, and it's because we all know when we are using an Ethernet connection of network, it's somewhat difficult to disconnect and connect our Ethernet connection. We need to go to settings and control panel and network sharing center, and there are some stuff to do to disconnect and connect an Ethernet connection. So, and also we can use a physical method like plugging and removing the network cable, but with time the cable also get damaged if we choose a method like this. So what's the solution? As a solution, I created this software. As a solution, I have created this NetBit software to make these things easier for the user. Just by clicking buttons, user can disconnect their network and also to connect their Ethernet network. In here I am using an Ethernet connection of Ethernet and it is connected already, and we can disconnect by clicking this button. And you can see now it's my internet connection is now disconnected, so I can connect it back by clicking this button. It takes a little time to connect back our network. For further usage, I have updated the NetBit software to control other networks also. The software also has an settings window. If the user's network interface names are different than the default, user can change them by clicking this check button, and user can check their interface name. I have this network interface which is Ethernet, and it's in here. If users network interface names are different, they can type their network interface name here and they can save them like this. Then it shows data saved successfully, and also we have a clear button, and we can also close this. And also this NetBit software has a about window, and also we can close this. So to install this software, I have created this is the NetBit software which we run last time, and I have also created an installer for this software. For the installer, let's run our installer and see how our user can install this software. My laptop has a small issue, and that's why it's always sometimes it's not responding. This is the installer. And I will show you from the setup files how we can run this software. This is the setup file. In programs files, now there are no there's a NetBit software. We can delete this software. So there are no any NetBit files here, so we can install our NetBit software again. This is the install setup, and we are not going to unzip it. We are going to install this software inside this. We are running this. I have created the password. Okay, it's running. We need to accept this, and we can click install button. Okay, now we can finish the setup. After the setup finished, we are receiving this file. We can send a shortcut to desktop. This is the shortcut, and also this is the last shortcut that I have created, and that side is this NetBit shortcut 2, and we have our software. We have the windows. You will see in program files. In program files, we have our NetBit software installed. These things, and when we are going to save these things inside this, it will save the file control files according to the user inputs. It will save the input file controlling files, and we can close this, and that's my software. You can also now disconnect any network using this software. It's not responding because of the issue. It takes little time to respond, and also it is and now it's disconnected. We also can connect it back. By the default, it is selected into the Ethernet network. So I think the software I developed is really useful to people, and in near future I will send you the new update of this software with the new features to automatically do these things to a scheduled time, and you all are welcome to use my software. Thank you for all.